Welcome to this tutorial on how to clear the cache in Spring Boot. Cache is a way to store frequently used data to make your application run faster. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to clear the cache in your Spring Boot application to keep it running smoothly. If you haven't set up your Spring Boot application yet, check out our previous tutorial. Once you have your application up and running, join us in this tutorial. Let's get started. In Spring Boot, there are several ways to clear the cache. In this tutorial, we will cover clearing the cache through caching annotations. To clear the cache through caching annotations, you will need to use that cache evict annotation on the method that you want to clear the cache for. Here is an example. When the update config method being called, this will clear the cache with the name config. If you want to clear multiple caches, you can specify a list of cache names in the value attribute. That's it. You have now learned how to clear the cache in Spring Boot using this method. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.